How to create a Facebook business page. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now, once you land in your homepage, tap on your profile icon with that three-line icon from the top right corner. That will take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit, and from all of these menus, you have to tap on pages. If you are not unable to find these pages, then you will have so more option. Simply tap on that and this pages menu will load up in your interface. Now from here, tap on this create button from the top left corner. After that, again tap on get started. So first of all, you have to write the name of your page. Use the name of your business, brand of organization, or a name that helps explain your page. So you have to name your business page. Suppose I have this page name as Specs, which is basically a page for the Specs store or any other business. You can name it anyone. After that, tap on next. It says page names that are too broad are not allowed. Try a more specific name. So simply try a specific name such as I have then tap on next. Now once you set up the name, and the next step you have to mention the category that best describes your page. Here let's go with grocery store. And you can add more categories as well. Then tap on create. Now again you have to choose what describes your goal. So since our page is a business page, so we will go ahead and select the first one that says promote your products or services. Then tap on continue. Now on the next page you will be provided with a form. There you have to enter all of your information. First of all, you have to enter the bio for your page, and under that you have to enter your contact number, that is basically the website, email and your phone number. And under that, under this location sector, you have to first of all enter the address, city and town and the zip code as well. And again you have to choose these hours for your business page as well. So select the one, and once you fill up this form and provide your correct information, tap on next, and on the next page you will be asked to set up your profile. And then set up your profile for your business page. Once you do that, tap on done, and with that you will have a business page in your Facebook. So that's how you create a Facebook business page, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.